In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks between Evernote and Todoist using Pleexy. Pleexy is a task automation tool that helps you sync tasks between various productivity apps, and in this guide we're focusing on how you can set it up to work with Evernote and Todoist. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to sign up for Pleexy. Head over to their website and create a free account. This will give you access to all the features we're going to discuss today without any upfront cost, which is always a plus when you're trying something new. Once you've secured your account, your next move is to connect your Todoist account to Pleexy. This forms the first part of our bridge, allowing you to funnel information effectively between these two apps. With Todoist connected, it's time to bring Evernote into the fold. Click on Add a Connection and choose Evernote as your next sync partner. This allows you to start building a two-way communication channel where tasks can flow seamlessly between Evernote and Todoist. At this point, Pleexy will prompt you to authorize it to access your Evernote account. Make sure to give the necessary permissions, as this step is crucial for enabling the sync process. Now, with both accounts connected, the next step involves configuring your sync settings. This is where you can really tailor the integration to suit your workflow. You have the power to customize how tasks are synced between Evernote and Todoist. Decide which Evernote notebooks and notes Pleexy should monitor. This level of customization ensures you're syncing only what matters most to you, avoiding unnecessary clutter. Next, think about how you want your tasks to appear in Todoist. This includes setting criteria for task names, due dates, and priorities. Synchronization should work for you, so feel free to define these parameters in a way that fits your current task management style. On top of that, you can also set up synchronization rules for task updates and deletions, making sure any change is reflected across both platforms as needed. Moving on, it's time to adjust task management preferences. One feature to consider is whether completed tasks in Todoist should be marked as done in Evernote and vice versa. It's your choice based on how you like to track your completed tasks. You can also configure notifications and modify labels or priorities to further fine-tune your task management experience. Finally, after reviewing and finalizing all your settings, make sure to save the configuration. Once saved, Pleexy will begin syncing tasks automatically. This automatic sync means you'll save time and effort, letting you focus on what truly matters, getting things done. Enjoy the seamless experience of having your favorite productivity tools work together effortlessly.